Good morning, student. This is the poem Home and Love written by Robert William Service, and this poem is taken from his collection of poems Rhymes of Rolling Stone. So let us start the poem. Just home and love, the words are small, four little letters unto each, and yet you will not find in all the wide and gracious range of speech. To more so tenderly complete, when angels talk in heaven above, I am sure they have no words more sweet than home and love. Here poet said that home and love are two small words with only four letters in each. Yet together they are the most tenderly complete in the whole gracious range of speech. Then the poet said that these words are very small, and when it is sure that when angels talk in heaven, their sweetest words are home and love. Just home and love, it is hard to guess which of the two were the best to gain. Home without love is bitterness. Love without home is often pain. No, each alone will seldom do. Somehow they travel hand and glove. If you win one, you must have two, both home and love. Here poet tells us that home and love are so inseparable that it is hard to decide which of the two is best. Home without love is bitterness, and love without home is often painful. Each alone is never enough. Somehow they will go together. Then the poet says that if you have love, you should also have home, and if you have home, you should have love, because both are important for a man. And if you have both, well, then I am sure you ought to sing the whole day long. It doesn't matter if you are poor, with these to make divine your song. And so I praisefully repeat, when angels talk in heaven above, there are no words more simply sweet than home and love. Robert said here that if you have both in your life, that is home and love, then you must sing all the day, whole the day. And it doesn't matter that you are poor. If you have both, you gratitude to God and sing this divine song. And so I praisefully repeat, here the poet once again said that he is repeating the verse and say that in heaven, when the angels talk, they will talk about the home and love. There are no sweeter words than home and love. Thank you, student.